suggested that for this district to still not be a Republican-leaning district in 2018.
What other factors might be in play? I'm thinking, for example, this was the first national election of the new tour. And a lot of women watched the Kavanaugh-Harris play out in Washington and felt deeply conflicted over the state of the country, and this was their chance to go out and vote.
So, I mean, we're not assuming that educated white women, do they vote party, especially if they've been accustomed to voting for the Republican Party, or do they stay home because they're conflicted? If they stay home because they are conflicted, then that boosts Democrats' chances. But I mean, I think that the biggest question for college-educated women in this district is, particularly white ones, is whether or not they actually show up to vote at all.
Professor Gillespie, thank you.
Thank you.
That's Andrea Gillespie, professor of political science at Emory University here in Atlanta.
Some top Republicans are distancing themselves from Iowa Republican Congressman Steve King because of his racially offensive comments and ties with white supremacist organizations. Now, King's hardline views on immigration have been known, but the Pittsburgh shooting brought more attention to his record. This week, he lost corporate support and the chairman of the House Republican Campaign Committee for King's comments and actions inappropriate. Your professional reporter Kelsey Snell is following this. She's here in the studio.
Hey there.
It's been widely known for a long time that King makes comments that can be offensive about immigrants. He's sharing posts from racist accounts on Twitter. That's not new, so why are Republicans denouncing him now?
Right, yeah, King's views are absolutely not a secret. He's very open about it, and in fact, he's met with the president, particularly about his views on immigration, and he has celebrated the fact that the president is adopting some of King's own views, like ending birthright citizenship, which is something King has advocated for a long time. But what happened is that after the shooting in Pittsburgh, more and more information about recent associations he had with an Austrian group with ties to Nazis started to emerge. He did an interview in August with Austria's Freedom Party, which was founded by a former Nazi officer while he was on a trip visiting Holocaust sites. Now, in the interview, he discussed the decline of Western civilization and talked about immigrants replacing white Europeans. And that all came out shortly after the shooting, which caused more and more attention to it.
And as we said, there's been criticism from within his own party. There have been corporations that distance themselves from him. What is King's response then?
He says his comments were